All right, so what's really cool about Casper is we want to test the car out. So I was thinking, he said, just do it right here. So we're gonna test and see how this.
Burn out alley.
We're gonna see how it feels right here for you guys. So we'll see how it feels. I'm just gonna do a little 2,000 RPM launch. What I do with the drag strip and see how she does. Oh shoot. FedEx time. Let's get out of here. I'm trying to get this box. It's time. Look at me, I can't even open this door. It's game time, y'all. Well, what we have here, guys, is we have the urethane bushings and we have the linear springs. So it's all here. This is what is going to give us a better 60. So these, I never thought I'd lower the Black Mamba, but these linear springs will. They're not an aggressive lower. Okay, so we are here at Casper's Corner. I'm going to tell one of the techs here exactly what we're doing. The Black Mamba is up there. You can see the carnage. But, okay, sorry. So what we have here is they sent these springs. They said that this hardware is just to upgrade. These are going to upgrade where?
Should be the diff bolts, right? Is it the S550 diff kit? 12.9 bushing kit, diff bushing? Yeah. So it should be one here, one here, one here, one here.
Okay, so that's going to upgrade and make it able to plant more, right?
Should be, yes. These are urethane diff mounts. Yeah, these are the big problems with these Mustangs.
Yeah, they said the black ones I think are more aggressive. I think.
You want the more aggressive ones in there?
Hell yeah.
Stop hops kit, they call it. Stop hop kit. I did them. I did the race springs on it, and man, let me tell you, it was completely different.
All right. All right. I'm excited.
So I'm actually excited to use these and see how these ones work out.
Yeah. So we'll use these.
Because I'll tell you right now, them aluminum ones were like harsh.
Okay.
So.
Because I wanted to like slam and go, you know.
Yeah,
that's kind of
good. These are stock bushings. You know, you got your black, just the rubber inserts.
Okay.
And then Steeda gave you the nice sphericals.
Gotcha.
Steel though, they're not aluminum.
Okay.
So they're nice steel spherical. They're gonna replace the stock ones there.
All right.
So this should definitely help because the control arm, when it's in a car, it wants to go like this.
Yeah.
You know what
exactly.
I mean? So once we replace this with this is gonna stay planted.
Nice.
So that should be.
All right. This is good stuff.
You're getting there.
We're doing step by step.
You should definitely be able to plan it.
So, what's your name, bro?
I'm Mason.
Mason, thank you so much. Mason's gonna hook up we call the build the Black Mamba. Gonna get her down to squat more with all these awesome new spherical links. We have the drag linear springs. He's gonna put in some awesome bushings and make this thing. We're gonna test it out for the first time, like at the race event. So whatever.
Where are you on American Muscle?
No, it's a YouTuber call out they're doing at Maple Grove. Yeah, Street Speed. Street Speed is hosting it, and he invited me, and I'm like one of the slowest cars there. But you know, I want to show out like an NA Mustang can run high 10s. You know, so I think
I'm hoping we get you into the 10s.
Yeah.
Like I said, we get that 60 foot down, man, you're gonna be there. You're at 11.2 already.
Yeah.
I mean,
they said a 10th on the 60 is 2 up top.
Oh yeah.
So I'm hoping that does the trick.
I'm hoping with this right here, we're gonna get hopefully your 60 foot 1.5, 1.4.
Woo!
I say.
All right, I like it. I like it. You heard it here from Mason. He said it. So hopefully he's Nostradamus here when they get the Black Mamba down. All right, next time we'll see her, she'll be all set up, and I'll let you know how the car drives, how it feels, and hopefully we get that. We're here with Xander, by the way.
Hey, what's going on?
You know, he's always. You should just move here, bro.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Seriously.
Thinking about it heavily.
We're gonna go see how the Black Mamba is doing, and let's check her out. Hello, hello. What's up, sir?
What's happening, man?
How's she doing?
Good.
All right, we're back. We're here at Casper's Corner. Gonna check on the Black Mamba. How'd it go?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Uh-oh. How's she looking?
I'm gonna do the front springs down, the whole rear's done. Then you got your spherical bearings here.
Okay.
Nice dimpled in on the aluminum control arm, so it'll come out. We got the diff bushes in.
It looks good with the blue. It looks good, yeah. The blue looks good.
Yeah, there's the springs. We got the diff bushes in with the good bolts.
Nice.
Front and rear. They're just little inserts that go in. They stiffen up the bushes real good.
Okay, so we got these
they're here on
Okay.
the side.
Oh, cool.
They're just inserts.
Nice.
They go over the stock bushes.
Okay.
The springs, the whole subframe's recentered. Everything's good.
Nice.
I fixed all your bolts on these cross braces here. Retorqued everything. Make sure you're all good. And like I said, I dimpled these.
Okay.
Because they don't have a stop collar on them. And
Gotcha.
we didn't want to, since you're putting it, you're getting down the track hard.
Yeah.
I don't want them to shift or anything.
Okay. So that's pretty cool. That's extra
That's a little
support.
That's,
Yeah.
That's drag racing.
That's
right here.
old school knowledge right there, right?
Yep. So,
All right. Sounds
get
good.
to it. I'm gonna bag the front out now. Put the front springs on.
Okay.
Sway bar off.
All right. Sounds
All
good.
back together.
All right. Well, we're hanging out.
Fresh grease in it.
Fresh grease.
Yeah,
okay.
for your bearings. Yeah, that's
All right. So this is getting dialed in, guys.
sir.
Tomorrow.
It's not even my car. I feel pretty confident.
Now I'm
Just in
feeling a
seconds.
lot more confident now. Like, but these bolts look really. Everything looks really good here. I love the blue.
I retorqued everything.
You
I
tor-
went
you
over
retorqued
every
everything down?
single bolt on the back of this car. I went over. Torque wrench. I went over them all. These are supposed to be 120. I bumped them up. They're about 140 or so.
Nice.
Red Loctite on them. And
I feel a
wanna
lot.
make sure you're good.
I feel super confident right now.
I just want to make sure you're good. Like I
Yeah.
said, I fixed these.
Finishing up the springs. They did a lot of great work with the Steeda Stop the Hop kit. We are the day before the race. The drive shaft is out. They're gonna set everything up. So this is gonna be a serious situation tomorrow, guys. Got the drag springs. We have all the bushings in. The lower control arm spherical bushings are in there. And what was really cool, which I really appreciate, if you guys can see that there, they did these pinches so that this is gonna make sure it stays in. So that kind of stuff is where you want to be. So okay, all right, guys. Looks like we got someone going to buy the black Mamba. No, I'm just kidding. We are at Casper's Corner. It looks like the black Mamba is sitting there, looking a little bit low. She looks low, baby. Let's see what she's got there. All right, looks good. Yeah, that looks really good. All right, well, we're here. This is the day before the call out, and we're here with Xander.
Hey.
He's gonna help me get this situated, and then we're gonna go and see what she does. But she's sitting a lot lower, guys. I never thought, I'm not a guy who's gonna lower the car much because I didn't like the way it drives daily, but whatevs. Let's do the damn thing. Let's go check it out. Alright, so. Alright, guys, so the black Mamba. What do we call this? Because snakes don't have legs.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna bolt.
Well, it looks good. It looks like it's all back together. It's lower, but it's very like a small lowering,
A little bit.
It's very little, but looks like it's dialed in. I gotta wash it. I gotta wash. How's it feel?
Yeah, it's aggressive.
Yeah,
It's aggressive.
aggressive.
Yeah.
That's what we
This
want.
way.
Yeah.
Pull it up front. It got in it. It doesn't even want to spin the tires anymore.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. All right.
Let me know. You're the one that drives it every day.
Oh
It
yeah,
feels
yeah.
good. It
Oh
feels
yeah. All right, cool.
good. It feels real good.
We gotta take it. We're gonna go right to the racetrack from here. So Casper's Corners did their thing.
Always.
Check it out. Link in the description. They got the black Mamba suspension dialed in. I liked it to drive. It doesn't look too crazy low.
I say it's about a quarter of an inch and a half.
Quarter of an inch.
Down.
Okay. So she plants.
I say he drove it.
Okay,
We both
cool.
drove it, and you can't. It wants to go.
How'd it feel?
Well, moving
a red car there. You can try it out in the parking lot.
Yeah. Yeah. All right,
Couple
cool.
hits, make sure you're happy with it.
Yeah. All right, yeah, let's do that. That's pretty cool. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little tester and see how she actually feels. So, all right, cool. Z, can you hold the camera for me when you get done? Oh, he's recording too. I'm gonna. Where can I do a test? Like right here? All right, cool.
You see all the other parts.
Yeah. Where can I back up to? Like right to where the BMW is?
Red car is doing what we
All right,
do.
so what's really cool about Casper is we want to test the car out. So I was thinking, he said, just do it right here. So we're gonna test and see how this.
Burn out alley.
We're gonna see how it feels right here for you guys. So we'll see how it feels. I'm just gonna do a little 2,000 RPM launch. What I do with the drag strip and see how she does. Okay. The key's in. All right. All right. So first time with the new suspension.
You trying to get a hit on there?
Yeah, 12. Yeah, just 12.
I'm like kind of nervous. I'm excited.
It's going to be a parking lot launch.
I think that'll do.
Yeah, yeah.
I think that'll do. Holy cow. That thing plants. Oh, that feels good. There was no spin at all. Like no drama. Wow.
It doesn't even want to break tires for you. Way more aggressive. You hear the diff. It's. I believe it's good.
All right. That thing took off.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that thing took off. Dude, I'm ready. I'm so ready right now.
10s.
10s. NA. Let's go. Yeah, so she
Anytime.
got it dialed in, and we're going to do more work. We're going
Of
to come
course,
back with the
of course.
drive shafts and
Drive
half
shaft,
shafts.
shocks,
Yeah.
the sway bar, rear adjustable links in the rear. And you'd be good, man.
All right.
I think
All
you'll be
right.
good.
Let's see what she does.
Going for a 1094.
All right. All right. You calling it?
1094.
All right. I like it. He's calling